What's up, y'all? It's Asia Gabrielle, and welcome to Vlogmas Week 4. The last week of Vlogmas, and I done did horrible. It is Monday, 5 o'clock on the dot. I am at work, clearly. But I was supposed to start recording ever since Saturday, y'all, but nothing happened. You know, I went to the Raw Wave concert on Friday. I'm currently just uploading week 3 today at 6:30, so it was a lot going on with the video. So, and yeah, after Raw Wave, I had to come to work Saturday morning, Sunday, here today, and I've been here all day, so I'm off tomorrow and Wednesday, and then I work Thursday and Friday. So I'm gonna definitely get some content. Of course, tomorrow it's Christmas Eve and Christmas. Other than that, I just wanted to come on here and get this video started. I will see y'all in the morning probably, because I get off at 8. Nothing else is going on today, unless I just put on like some Christmas pajamas tonight and just, I don't really know what I could do Christmassy. But we might go to the grocery store tomorrow, because I don't think they've been, unless somebody went today. But I might have to go tomorrow and get some stuff that I want. And yeah, we're supposed to be also having a family Christmas Eve little get together party tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, and I have to wash clothes tomorrow because I have nothing, and I don't even have nothing picked out of what I'm gonna wear. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. This is my firm foundation, the rock on which. Okay, what's up, y'all? So I'm currently home, clearly, and I just got out the shower, did all that 1-2. Was just gonna show y'all me wrapping some. That's embarrassing. Gonna show y'all me wrapping some, well, from my parents, their 2 gifts. Merry Christmas Eve! Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve. I just been cleaning up and stuff. Apparently, the little family gathering is getting moved to our house, or my auntie's house across the street, so we just been cleaning up. I mean, I didn't really have nothing to clean up my room. I had to wash clothes for sure. Both the loads are in. We're good on that, and then just clean my room. It's not even dirty, though. And pick up my outfit when I'm wearing tonight. And I need to do my lashes, like fill them in, just this side for real. And what else? And I'm about to put my little Buc-ee's ones on just because it's red and I'm in the Christmas spirit. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I knew I was the regular child, Monty.
That's probably why he lost the
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. So what's up, y'all? I don't know the last time I got back to y'all, but I just got, well, I'm leaving my cousin's house. Gonna walk back to my house and just chill for a minute before I start getting ready. I'm gonna try to record the no, I think I'm gonna do a TikTok, yeah. So I'll probably just get with y'all in between or after. Because, yeah, we're having a little family get together. I guess it's going to be at both houses. So, yeah. Room is clean. Everything's clean. Oh, I do got to put up some clothes, though. But that's about it. So, yeah. I will see y'all later. Hey, guys. So, I'm back. It's hours later. As you can see, I'm dressed and ready. I just sprayed some of this Jolly gingerbread village. I forgot I had this a winter scent. I should have been putting it on. But being in the Christmas spirit, going to the little Christmas family, we're going to smell like Christmas. So this is the fit that I came up with. Real last minute, but it's cute. This button up. These are low rise dark gray jeans. And then I got my dark blue band on. And I just paired it with this yellow side purse just for something to pop. Like, and I literally just have my lip gloss and stuff in here. Some little glasses just to add some aesthetic. And the hairstyle came out cute. I was gonna do buns, but the ponytails look cute because they hang a little bit, some length. And my bangs still out. So we finna walk over to my aunt's house. My parents already over there. Oh, this is the face. I did like a light, like barely put any face stuff on. And then like a little bit of concealer under my eye. And then the famous lip combo. And that's it. So yes, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. So we'll see. It's very strong. It's Tito. I'm gonna since he wants to be in my video, obviously. He's looking over here. I know I look good.
I wake up. You been so bad. He's ready the whole bed. Well, you keep bad, man.
Got my first couple plates, y'all. We finna taste his first and foremost. Hot. You wanna try the pasta salad? Potato salad. Okay. Merry Christmas, guys. We just currently finished watching Carry On Netflix, even though I already watched it. We had just watched it with my parents. It's 1 something in the morning. And I just been doing a lot today, taking shots, eating, like, your girl just go sleep. I'm on breakfast duty in the morning, so yeah, and these are our pajamas. They're so cute. We got matching family pajamas, so yeah. We're gonna go in the bathroom. But it was like all my dad's brothers and sisters. Well, sister, his brothers, and their children. But yeah, it's been a while since everybody was together, so that was good. It was nice. I don't got no makeup wipes. Let me take this off. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, like I was saying, party was it was good. It was fun. I was with my cousins mostly. But yes, it's Christmas, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning when I have to wake up and cook breakfast. Enjoyed my little day off. But other than that, I'm gonna see y'all in the morning because your girl is tired. So yeah. Good morning, guys. And Merry Christmas. Don't mind me, haven't done anything this morning. It is currently 9:27. I woke up like 15 minutes ago. I don't even know what I'm cooking because we don't even have pancakes now. Guess I gotta make grits. So I'm probably just gonna make grits, eggs, and some meat. So come along with me and Merry Christmas. So he doesn't know how to crack eggs. I'm making. Got some mix for some. This is some grits. Got the water boiling, and the bacon is baconing. I guess it said 12 to 15 minutes. And we also gonna go ahead and get a pan for the croissants. I mean, all you gotta do is a light tap. Jesus. Y'all, my eye keeps watering, and I don't know why. I was going through it last night. Nose was stopped up. Had to sleep with the tissue in my nose. I mean, it wasn't a cold. And this one eye, like, it already took 2 of my lashes off. I don't got time, but I will do them. Like, it's literally
1, 2,
just
3, 4, 5. One more.
I'm about to go clear that up. Oh, it look like I've been crying. I have not. I'm very happy, actually. It's Christmas. No reason to cry. With my family. Yeah, I was up to like 4 last night. On the phone. But I'm up. I definitely don't need a nap, but I'm up. Y'all, this is the toy from my Look, Sid. This is, I don't know. Wait, sit. Yeah. Sit. And stay. And bye. How we just knowing this song? Oh, y'all, the lashes had to come off. I don't know what happened. They just, nope, not over here either. Nope. Oh, well, you can. And we were about to give our parents their little gifts that they asked. I already seen you, right? Don't let the hair right now. Wow. Here. I don't feel like getting up. Let's show the shoes. That's what he asked for. Why you didn't give him the shoes? It's not about the shoes.
Very good.
Whoa, that is too nice. That's what?
Daddy knows what I like.
That's what?
It's
But it's definitely cost money. The dealer sells it for it. Yeah.
Prada? I told you it was Prada.
Perfume! That's like $5,000 worth. Literally! What?
all of my favorites.
So guys, I'm going first. Oh, you said I'm going first. Only one eye. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the steering wheel. Oh, okay.
What you thought it was?
I thought it was seat covers because it just had this right there.
Oh,
But no. I'm still.
Oh,
Does
yeah, that's it.
Does it look like that?
Pink steering wheel.
Yes, I needed something girly for my car. Stretch like that. Woo! First store?
Hey, we don't take all day now.
Okay, they want me to rush, and I'm trying to admire my.
Open, see what it is.
Is it blue? No, that's cute. Yes, we got to get the word. iPad Air. Ethan, I already know what you got, so you just gonna be like. It's all from my wonderful parents.
Now we want it.
Oh, now you like it.
Right. What you think?
When did I say what this was bad?
What you
What?
think about those?
What? Balloon? You know, that's what happens when you're the baby child.
Whatever.
This is nice.
You are crazy.
No, I was reading the fucking side. Ow! Yeah.
And keep the message.
Like, do you see that diamond?
Keep the message posted in your room somewhere.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Wait.
I'm just literally gonna cry. Oh, this is cute. Wow. Okay, the light blue.
Because by the time she sent me the list, I was like, sorry, sister. This color is already.
No, this is cute. How did you know I wanted a Stanley? I'm about to be walking in school. They're gonna be like
Get the name right.
looking like the blue. I'm about to have the iPad Stanley. Walking in class.
LED like ring key.
Oh, my ring. I forgot I asked for that. Whoa, this thing got. Dang, no, this is big. I ain't never seen no ring like that. Whoa. I knew it. I knew it was in it. I knew that was in that box, folks. I literally said that.
You hung out in the box.
I literally said it. No, I'm talking about just now. And I said that yesterday. I said, eat the ass up PS5. I said, he's probably gonna get it. Because I mean, why not? Why wouldn't he get it? Oh, you're so. You forgot you.
I didn't forget.
What is that, Ethan? Some shoes? Some New Balance? I don't know what New Balance. Why you had to open it like, oh, damn, huh? Hey guys, so it's me again. As I can see, so we have finally done opening gifts. And like, my list was completed, guys. I am just beyond happy. Beyond grateful. They did their big one. Favorite gift first. Y'all, they literally told me they wasn't getting it. I'm so happy. Like, I'm gonna be in my bag 2025. We are stamping that. I'm still gonna take my break January. But I'm still gonna be making content. I just probably ain't gonna post it until I come back. But just wait, bro. I'm gonna have I can start editing on my computer, and I'm like, it's gonna be up and stuck. We got 512 gigabytes on this. It is the iPad Mini 11, iPad Air. Yeah. So yeah, I'm so happy. I don't know what we have planned for the rest of the day. No, we're gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna like eventually take a shower and stuff and just put some chill clothes on. Because I need to fill in my lashes again. But it's the last time I'm doing it until New Year's. And yeah, I'm going to also put my tripod up once I clean my room. So y'all going to see that too. It is so... Oh, y'all seen it. But it's humongous. So this just finished updated. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's about to... That's gonna be doing that all day. I'm so excited though, y'all. Like, so yes, Merry Christmas. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. Breakfast was good. It was a 10 out of 10. My dad is already starting to prep and cook dinner, and then we're gonna make some cookies and brownies later as well. So yes, I love y'all, and I will see y'all later. Okay, guys. So this is the lights. This is so big, and I already had set up the stand. I was trying to show y'all, like, putting it together. What's up, vlog? I'm all ready. Well, I just got dressed. Little ponytail. This is the food. Macaroni, yellow rice, cabbage, smoked, and bread. I couldn't think of what it was. Oh, look at them teeth. Got some little food in it. And then after we eat, I'm gonna make some brownies and some cookies, huh?
You ain't even gonna put up that stuff for them, right?
You said what? You ain't seen what? Oh. Well, yeah, it's only 5:15. Good morning, guys. It's me, and I'm ready. Finna go clock in. I was letting the car warm up. Oh, I forgot I got 2 missing nails. And I got me a little biscuit and my Oh, okay. Stanley. Yeah, I'm finna go put a little 4-5 hour shift, something late, or a 4 hour shift. I'm gonna be a little late. And y'all, we did not get paid today. What's really tea? So we won't be doing it. All I know is that check better hit tomorrow. Cause what's going on? Christmas was yesterday. So they bet not pull the same. Oh wait, we don't get paid next week. But still. I don't even know if I'm gonna be. I was supposed to vlog today. I might still do my little vision board and stuff. So we gonna see. Other than that, I don't think I'm gonna record at work. So I'll see y'all later. So guys, I just got to Walgreens. And it's about to start raining. Didn't know it was supposed to rain. And I'm about to get these pictures. For my vision board. There's probably be so many pictures.
Yes, he went to work on us.
Last 50 photos.
Are you good too?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Thank you. Y'all, I literally said that. I said it was gonna pour. Yes, let me put the package was secure. Oh God. Now let's pray. Okay. Emma. I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm finna wait, y'all. I was like, I don't know. Cause like, I don't really want to go back out tonight. So I probably am finna go ahead and get the poster from the dollar store. Cause I literally just passed when I was supposed to go there first. So we just gonna go right there real quick and grab it. And yeah. I just got $2 Dollar Tree. And then get the little supplies that I need. They're closed. Gorgeous. Perfect. I already know exactly where I'm going. I'm trying to see if I want to get little other stuff. And I said I wanted to do pink. We need to sit down. Hey y'all, currently in the car. I was going to get some food on my break. Well, I was gonna come to Palmetto Subs, but apparently I just seen a taco food truck outside. Well, it wasn't outside the mall, but it was like at the little discount tires place parking lot. Okay, if you don't go out, go. So I'm finna go back there. I think I want that. Cause hopefully, but if they don't release the guy, I'll just come back here. Cause literally it's like a minute away from each other. So, cause I never had Palmetto Subs and they subs be looking so good. But I don't know, I just think I want tacos. And I was like, I wanted to get something, like a little snack. So I'm just gonna get a 6-inch. But yeah, I'm gonna go back now, y'all. Cause I was like, it's raining and cold, but it had a little tent, so yeah. We finna go check that out. So I'll see y'all when I get out there and I'm ordering my food. Y'all. Let me pause. These tacos look so good. see, it said a taste test. Well, okay. So, I don't think I like that sauce though, because it'd be real spicy. Then it's hot. I just want to taste it. So, oh, this is good. Oh, I think this is that. Oh yeah, that's the lunch. I think I don't like that. This is that sauce, but I don't think I want to dip it. We're gonna dip it that one time. Okay? It's hot. This shit is good. Oh my god. I really need a napkin though, y'all. Hey, purse. Alright, see y'all later. What's up, y'all? So, oh my god. I don't know, the last time I talked to y'all, I was supposed to be doing my vision board. Still haven't done it yet. We're gonna do it tomorrow. But I'm currently dressed, on the way finna go to my cousin's house and celebrate her 23rd. Well, where she's at. She just came down here from Illinois, so yes. So hopefully I'll remember to pick up the camera, y'all. This vlog has been all over the place after Christmas. And it's currently Saturday. It's about 8 o'clock. So, yeah. Let's go. Hey, y'all. We is at... We're gonna go on laser tag and then go bowling. We just finished laser tag and baby, I clearly did not win. Hello.
Green light.
Hey y'all.
Green light.
We don't want to hear no green light.
You don't know what that is.
Green light, pistol in the party don't seem right. Shemaine, did you didn't even know I had braces.
I did.
Did you see I had my braces on?
Yeah.
But you haven't seen me in person.
No.
The last time you seen me in person, I had a gap. So, you know, kind of crazy.
No.
The last time I seen you.
I seen you with braces. What do you mean? You didn't have a gap when you had braces. You had braces in high school.
Okay, y'all.
I had braces for like...
This is the song that y'all was talking about playing.
No, Charmaine want to play this shit. Green light.
Green light. Pistol in the party don't seem right.
Hey guys, gonna make some cookies, and I think I'm gonna try to make like a heart shape one, and just get like some actual good circles. It's a little hard right now. My hands are clean. So I'm gonna try to make this one. So this is the before, 2 hearts, 2 circles, then the positive and the up. Yeah. 10 minutes. See y'all in 10 minutes.